How to fix when your iPhone says that an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck, and in today's guide video I will show you the ways on how you can very easily fix if iPhone says an update is required to use cellular data on your iPhone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes instead of trying to use your Wi-Fi, you might just be trying to use a cellular network, and what your iPhone could simply say is the error that says an update is required to use cellular data or some kind of issues like that. Well, in that case, what you have to do is we just need to simply update it to the latest version. In order to do that, we're going to simply launch the settings app on our iPhone. Once we launch the settings app, go ahead and then simply tap on general. As we tap on general, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Right on this page, go ahead and then select software update. As you select software update, you can see if you have an update button available, go ahead and then update it. It is going to take some while to download it, and after the download has been completed, all you have to do is tap on this install now button, which you see at the bottom of the screen. Once done, your iPhone is going to automatically reboot after the update. Make sure you're connected to the internet as well. Make sure you remember your Apple ID passwords and so on, and that would most likely fix the issue. If that doesn't work, what I would recommend doing is to actually simply try to switch SIM cards. For example, if the SIM card is not working on this one of yours cellular data networks and cellular data isn't working on one SIM, I would recommend to first of all try to switch your SIM card, and then hopefully that would fix the issue as well. This was the way, and hopefully this would have fixed the issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.